Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now today we are going to do question number 6, 8, 9 and 11 of exercise 8C. Recall that if we are given vinculum, parenthesis, braces and bracket in the same problem, then we will first take off the vinculum and then in the second number we will take off the parenthesis. At third we will take off the curly bracket or braces, and at the end we will solve the bracket or large bracket. In the solution, first we will write the problem as it is in the first step, and then we have to solve the parenthesis first. So these are the unlike term, we cannot solve it. So in order to take off the parenthesis, we will multiply each of the term with 2, because when we are given in the outside of the bracket, we will multiply this term with each term inside the parenthesis. So b will remain as it is, and we will multiply -2 with a. Minus plus minus sign will also be multiplied. 2 multiplied with a, 2a, minus minus plus, multiplying 2 with b, we get 2b. Now in the next step, the remaining term will be written as it is, and look at these terms. b and 2b are the like terms having the same variables, so we will write b and plus 2b together. Now plus 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 2 plus 1 3b, we can write it as 3b minus 2a, and the basis will remain as it is, and the other term should be written as it is. In the next, as these two are the unlike terms, we cannot solve it. So in order to take off the braces, we will multiply each term with -3. So multiplying 3 with -3, we get minus plus minus 3 3 is a 9b, minus minus plus 3 to the 6a, and the remaining terms and bracket will remain as it is. Now 5a and 6a are the like terms, so we should write the like terms together, minus 9b, and the other terms will remain as it is. Now 5a and 6a are the like terms having the same variables, so 5 plus 6 11a minus 9b. While taking off this bracket, we will multiply each of the term with -4b. Multiplying 11 with -4, we get -44, and multiplying, sorry, I have skipped the minus sign which is outside the bracket. So as there is a minus sign outside the bracket, while taking off this bracket, we will change the sign of each term. Plus 11a should be changed into minus 11a, and this minus 9b will be changed to plus 9b, and the other term will remain as it is. Now 7a and 11a are the like terms, so we have to separate the like terms, and 4b and 9b are the like terms having the same variable. Now 7a and minus 11a, plus minus minus 11, subtracting 7 from 11, we get 4a, and the sign of greater value will remain as it is. And minus 4b and plus minus 9 minus 4, we get 5b, sign of greater value will be assigned. So it is your answer. We cannot solve it further. In the next question, you are given with 10a minus 4, braces open, 5a minus 3a, parenthesis open, a minus 1, parenthesis closed, braces closed, minus 3, parenthesis open, 4a minus 3a plus 1 over vinculum, parenthesis closed and bracket closed. In the solution, first we will write the problem as it is in the first step. In the next step, first we will take off this vinculum. As we know that if we are given vinculum parenthesis brackets, we first take off the vinculum, and the other terms and other braces brackets should remain as it is while taking off this vinculum, as there is a negative sign outside the vinculum, so the sign of each term will be changed. So plus 3 should be changed into minus 3, and plus 11 plus 1 should be changed into minus 1. Braces closed, and this bracket is also closed. In the next step, we have to solve the parentheses, as they are given two parentheses, this one and also this one. While removing this parenthesis, as there is a minus 3 outside the parenthesis, so we should multiply minus 3 with each of this term. Multiplying minus with plus, we get minus 3, multiplying a 3a, minus minus plus, 3 1 the 3, and braces closed. And now we can solve them further. 4a and minus 3a are the like terms. Now 5a and minus 3 are the like terms. So plus minus minus, subtracting 3 from 5, we get 2a, and sign of greater value will be lowered. In the next, this parenthesis should be removed out. So by multiplying minus 3 with a, we get minus 3a, and multiplying minus 3 with minus 1, we get plus 3. In the next, we will take off this braces. So we should multiply 4 with each of the term. We get 4 to the 8a plus 4 3 the 12, and the other term should remain as it is. In this step, there is 10a, and look at these 8a and minus 3 are the like terms. Plus minus minus, we get 5a, and these 12 and 3 are the like terms. So we will first write the like terms together. Hence we get 10a minus 8a minus 3a plus 12 plus 3, 8 plus minus minus, 8 minus 3 5, 8 sign of greater value plus will be allowed, plus 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 12 plus 3 15, sign of greater value will be allowed. Now these are unlike terms which cannot be solved further. So while taking off this bracket, sign of each of the term will be changed because there is a minus sign outside the bracket. Plus 5a should be changed into minus 5a, and plus 15 should be changed into minus 15. Now 10a and 5a are the like terms. Plus minus minus, subtracting 5 from 10, we get 5a, and sign of greater value will be lowered, minus 15. By taking 5 common, we get a minus 5 3 the 15. So this is the simplest answer. Now look at the question number 9. In first we will write the question as it is in the first step, and in the second step we will first take off the parentheses, as there are two parentheses at the same time. So we will solve by multiplying 2 with a square, we get 2a square. Multiplying 2 with the minus b square, we get minus 2b square, and these are terms should be written as it is. Now look at a square and minus a square are the like terms, so we will write them together, and these two terms are the same and having the different signs, so they will be cancelled out, and minus b square will be remain. While taking off this parenthesis, as there is a plus sign outside the parenthesis, so minus b square should remain as it is. B square and minus b square are the like terms. We will write them together. These should be cancelled out, having the different sign and are the same values. So minus a square will be remaining. Now when we are removing this braces, as there is a negative sign outside it, so minus a square should be changed into plus a square, and a square and a square we will get 2a square. As there is a minus 3, so we while taking off this bracket, we will multiply minus 3 with 2 to get minus 6a square, and the other term should remain as it is. And now look at 2a square and minus 6a square are the like term having the same variables, so we should write them together. Now plus minus minus, subtracting 2 from 6 we get 4a square, and sign of greater value will be allowed. Now taking common minus and as well as 2 we get 2a square, as minus taken as common, so there should be plus sign, and b square. This is your answer, simplest. Now in the next question number 11, by introducing parentheses evaluate the following. Parentheses is, this is called parentheses. So we will introduce parentheses. In the first step we will write the question as it is, and we will take a parenthesis within two terms. Now we can take 8 as common. 8 3 is 8 3 is 24, so there will be 3 minus 8 1 is 8, so there is 1 coefficient of y square plus z square, and we have introduced a parenthesis, so that's your answer. Also look at in the fourth part, look at this term. This term has x square y, and the second term has x square y square, and the third term has x square y cube. Now as there is x square in each term, so we will take x square as common. Also there is y square and there is y cube, so we will take y as common, and what will be remaining we will write within the parenthesis. There is remaining 1, and there is remaining only y, because we have taken x square y, so y is behind left, and in the next term also there is y square, so this is the answer.